Welcome to our tutorial. In this step-by-step guide, we'll guide you how to play YouTube videos in the background, iPhone. 1. Open Safari and search for youtube.com 2. We are not going to use YouTube app for this. 3. Now tap on the little letters on the bottom left of your screen. 4. Click on Request Desktop Website. 5. This will open the desktop version of the YouTube website. 6. Now search for the video that you want to play in the background. 7. Open it and play it. It will open the full screen mode. 8. Close the full screen and make sure that the video is playing. 9. Now exit the Safari and the video will stop playing, but all we have to do is to open the control center and the video will be there. Just click on that to play, and your YouTube video will start playing in the background while you use other apps. Congratulations! You have successfully learned how to play YouTube videos in the background, iPhone. Thank you for watching our guide.